Good afternoon. I am Rajesh. I am the Chief Sales and Marketing Officer at Bharat Fritz Werner Limited. We are a Bangalore-based company manufacturing machineries. We are very happy to be here at HIMTEX, and I wanted to especially thank the entire organizing committee of HIMTEX for providing such a wonderful platform for all the manufacturers to display their various products here. And very happy to see such a large crowd. Very happy also to see that the government of Telangana also giving so much importance to these kind of events, which are, in a way, an updation to the entire manufacturing industry. We have a large following here, so have a very good customer base, and with a 60% repeat customers, we are very happy to be a part of this initiative of the government as well as the organizers, and very happy to see a good business. Thank you.